So guys, today we're making a drawing video. Let's go. What should I draw? I'm gonna making a big video tomorrow, so please hit that like button so I can do that video. So let's go. Bro, that's Waterman. Look at what I made. Look at what I made. So let's go drawing. I need to get this one, and let's go. Extreme. Let's go. What should I draw? Wait, what about my other? Wait. Let's go. Let me find your dreams come true. If you wonder,
pag dumating sila Sri ng alas 11.
1 hour pa kasi matulog na kayo.
Pag dumating sila Sri,
crazy na kami. Bro, why does it keep falling and falling?
pa kayo agad matutulog. Pa kayo.
What did I have? Wait lang guys. Just wait guys. Let me have I'm sorry because it took so long, because I'm trying to find my ground and I can't find it, bro. I got it. Let's go. First, let's make the face. I mean the head. Not the face. No.
Yan pala yun. Ano ba yung usok? Ayun na, parang nag-usok. Pala ka naman may ano. Ayun, sa dito.
Bro, come on. So today I'm gonna make it serious. So guys, do you know Ominous? That's my favorite YouTuber. Ominous in the top, bro.
One set apart. Naku, si baby.
Recycle me cola, original tail. Recycle. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Mag-sleep na kayo, Migs. Bukas may time pa kayo ni Sharon mag-ano. Kauan or paituo. Pwede lang man ang lakarin yung ano, or sasakay pa. Pagbili yung pagbibili mo ko.
Stop yun.
Ay, sasakay pa.
Joke lang yung makakain. Pero kaya na ko rin.
Ay, hindi. Pagpapunta doon, hindi kaya na lakarin. Pagpabalik lang. Malayo ba?
Naman, ang kaya na.
Baka sobrang layo. Ang inisip
Sabi
ko,
din sa kasiteri.
magdimod sasakay. Hindi ko alam. Baka yung
Nalakad na namin yan ni Manay. Diyos.
sa cabin.
Wait, let me put the hair.
Tungo daw ng tail. Eh, gusto ko gumamit ka para mapalitan mo ng
Wait, I put the
makaubos
hair.
dyan. Isa lang naman yung sabi ko yung apple na dinala ni Baby. Sabi ko, bakit soft na? Yun pala, nahulog.
Ako gulong-gulong. Sabi ko, naku, pagdating yan sa taas, malambot na.
At sabi ko, sira na.
Ilang beses sinuhulog.
No. It's almost done.
Migs, mag-sleep ka na kasi maaga ka bukas.
No.
Tamang-tama, pagbalik mo galing sa school, kakagising lang yun ni Sharon. Saka ni Kuya. Grabe mag-disturb sa'yo namin, kinabagyan. Naghahanap nila kasi ang akala nila nagluto ka, luto mo ang ano hanap mo kasi kung ano. Alam ko, kumakain sila ng palabas,
Please
Jollibee, McDo.
hate it or I don't know. Or please just like it. It looked like water. I don't know.
Si Miggy, Jesus!
Bro. I
Manang,
really quite shy to show it. So please don't think on it. So guys, I forgot about the weapon. The weapon.
Makoy, bakit siya naglalaro? Diba sabi ko matulog na?
may tsura ba yun si Basti?
Saan sila mag-screen out natin?
Hindi ko alam na pero paano dito naman sa
Mga red doors na
Oh, I'm kinda shy to show it. Okay,
Sabi yan.
red doors.
this is actually
Hindi
it.
naman yung mga ano.
So
Yung mga ano.
please don't hate on me because this is all of that I can do. Okay.
Baba mo na sa kanto natin.
And this is actually my desk, what I showed you in my other video. So, bye bye guys, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.